And we're back to learn CapCut in the year, day 33. Let me show you how I can create a smooth slow motion effect. If we take this clip, you may want to have the jump slowed down, but certainly not the part afterwards. So let me split it here. Select the middle portion where he jumps. Then we go to speed, standard. And I've shown you in the last video, you can use right here the slider. For example, a 2x slow motion effect would be 0.5. What you can also see is we have a very harsh jump right here at the edges. So where the slow motion part ends and regular speed starts again, it's a harsh transition. It becomes even more prominent if we further go down with the time. So let us go to a 4x slowdown, which would be 0.25. We can smoothen these little transitions a little bit. Let me go back to 0.5. And we can do so under curves. You can see there are a couple of presets, for example, this one right here, which is called bullet. And then we get this diagram. It's actually easy to understand. On the left-hand side, you can see the time. So 1.0 is the regular duration of our clip. And this is the dashed line. Everything above it will be a speed up, everything below it will be a slow down, and you can create ramps with it. And this makes your slow motion effects a little bit more smooth. And the best way to do it is to actually use the custom option. So that's the first one. Under these curves, let's go back to standard. When we go to custom, it should reset everything to 1 second, but it's best to apply it to the entire clip. So let me delete this portion. I add the origin again. Go to speed, curve, add the custom. And right here, we would start with the slowdown. So click on the plus sign at the bottom right of this diagram to create a new point. Then I drag it down. I move further along, drag this down too. Let me find the end position. Maybe right here. I create another point with the plus sign, drag it down. And now we have these ramps. So it ramps down first from regular speed to slow motion, and then it ramps up again. And this usually makes your slow motion effects a little bit smoother. So check out the custom curve, it's an important feature in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.